And welcome. Today's video, we're going to be unboxing a brand new subscription box to our channel called Slay Glam Box. I'm not going to lie to you guys, this is the second time that I've sat down to film because the first time, apparently I wasn't recording. So, hi, welcome to the Hotmess Express, where fortunately for us, it's a judgment-free zone. Obviously need more coffee. Anyways, guys, let's go ahead and jump into this unboxing. Okay, so like I said, this is called the Slay Glam Box. It's empty right now. I have everything sitting in front of me because of my nice little faux pas. But this subscription box is monthly. It is $24 a month. And you're going to receive 5 to 7 products in this box. Now, this box was sent to me complimentary to review, and that is exactly what we're going to do. So let's go ahead and jump into it. Now, we do get a little card in here, and it does say Slay Glam Box, and it does give a little like social media where to follow them, as well as any information. All of that good stuff is on here. Inside on the card, you're going to have each and every product listed, as well as how much it does retail for. So the first item is the Manicadar Lip Library. It does have a retail value of $24. You do get a total of 8 liquid lip stains in here, and actually they're really pretty. They're nice and neutral, and they look to be very like travel friendly size, or travel size, mini size. So you do get a full kit of that. I think that that's pretty awesome. Like I said, $24. The next item we got, which I was excited about because you know your girl loves pink, and if it sparkles, has glitter and shimmer, well, that's just an added bonus. And we did get a full-size palette called the Romance Me eyeshadow palette by Rasha B Cosmetics times Slay Glam Box. And so this is what the front of it looks like. I don't know if my camera will pick up like the glitter texture type of sleeve. And then on the back, we do have more information, not tested on animals, expiration, all of that, as well as a list of the ingredients. And then when you pull it out of the sleeve, it is in like a cardboard type of packaging, and then it does have a mirror, and this is what the inside of the palette looks like. Isn't that such a pretty color story? I think it's pretty. You'll see that I did play around in the glitter a little bit. I will say, out of all the shades that I've swatched, the glitter for me, it doesn't like pick up a lot if you just kind of dab it in there. You kind of have to dig, and it was like a different type of formula. It was one of those formulas that I almost feel like had the glitter glue built into it. So as you see, like if I dig into it, I can pick it up, and then when I swatch it, it's wild. It is really wild. I've never had a pressed glitter like this. You can swatch it on here, and then it dries down. Do you guys see? I mean, it's really pretty. It's really pretty, and it's like really smooth, and it dries down. Like it literally dries down. Like there's still a little bit that I was able to smear around, but it dries down and literally feels like it's like glued. It's wild. And I was able to wash it off and whatnot because I swatched it on my hand and then like washed it off, but I was like, wow, that's not going anywhere once it hits that lid. So anywho, and then I did swatch a few of the shades, and I have to say, like, very pretty, very pigmented, and they seem to be pretty creamy. So just doing some of the swatches for you guys. I mean, they look to be really pretty, and I will definitely come back and do a look for you guys as far as that goes. I mean, look at this shade right here. I just think that is so pretty. Oh yeah, she is very pretty. Let's do it over here. Oh yeah, so the mattes and the shimmers both seem to be very pigmented, very creamy. Of course, I've got to do the whole application process and everything, but I mean, as far as the color story goes, I think it's going to be beautiful for this going into the spring and the summer. Then we've got 3 more items. We have Dirty Little Secret Cosmetics Baked Highlighter in the shade Flirt. And I will tell you guys, like I said, I sat through filming, and I did apply a little bit of it over top of the Gerard Cosmetics highlighter that I had, and it's really pretty. It's a bit, I thought it was going to be too dark for me, but I was able to like kind of use it as a cheek topper or whatever, blush topper. It is a really pretty shade. I don't know, you can't really swatch a highlighter, but it's really pretty, and I think it would look good on the lids as well. And then we did receive, and I'll go over prices for everything in a sec. Then we received a little like chubby eyeliner by Sourmay, I believe is what it's called. It's a limited edition satin liner in the shade dark brown. I have to tell you guys, again, I've already swatched it, but it is such a really pretty pigmented creamy type of formula. Like, I will totally use this on my tight line, because as you guys know, after I apply or before I apply my mascaras on the upper tight line, I always do like a black, but this is like a deep chocolatey type of brown, and I think it's gonna look perfect. I always put it up there to just try and make my lashes appear to be a little bit longer or fuller or thicker than they actually are. Then we did receive a lip liner in the shade Baby Doll, and again, this is by the Sourmay, I think is how you say it, Cosmetics. I did not open this one yet because I have a lot of my sugar and spice to get through and my share, so I will definitely have this in backup because it is a really pretty nude shade and it's right up my alley as far as that goes. So like I said, this box is a monthly box. It is $24 a month. Let me go over the price for everything. Like I said, this Manna Kadar Lip Library is $24. I'm just reading this right off the card. Then we have our Slay Glam Box times Rasha B Cosmetics Romance Me Eyeshadow Palette. This has a retail value of $27. Then we have our Dirty Little Secrets Baked Highlighter that you guys saw, and this has a retail value of $14. Then we have our Sourmay Treatment Cosmetics Smear Proof Lip Liner. This is a $9.50 lip liner. That's expensive. And then the little chubby satin eyeliner is $18. Wow, that's expensive. That is really expensive. So grand total of everything after you add it all up did come to $92.50, and I thought everything was really pretty. I'm really excited to get into this eyeshadow palette. This just, it's so Valentine-y, you know? I mean, obviously it's the February box. So anyways, guys, that is everything for the Slay Glam Box. Thank you again to Slay Glam Box for sending this my way. I hope to have this as a monthly subscription to unbox for you guys every single month. Let me know down below your comments, your thoughts. What did you think of this box? Have you heard of Slay Glam Box before? I'm really excited, and I love the packaging. I love that pink packaging. By the way, before I end today's video, I do want to go over real quickly what is on my face. I haven't been the best at telling you guys, and I want to tell you guys about this new TV show on Netflix that I am so obsessed with. So I waited till the end of the video before, so I didn't have people like, okay, at what part do you start unboxing? Okay, anyway, on my face, I know, I am mind blowing you guys today. I'm actually going through my foundations, and I have the Charlotte Tilbury Airbrush Flawless Foundation on. As far, do I have, oh, you ready to be shook to the core? My concealer is the AOA Studio Liquid Concealer. And on my eyes, I do have on my eyes my Makeup Geek. This is the Matrix Neutral Palette, which I think it's coming back very soon if it's not available already, and I do have a coupon code for that. I think it's HotmessmommaMD does save you 10%, and I want to get my money's worth. I got my Pat McGrath Divine Rose palette on my lids, lips, Gerard Cosmetics Sugar and Spice lip liner with my Kimchi doll, and my Buttercup lipstick. So, and then of course pretty much everything else is like my usual. But anywho, let's talk about this TV show that I've become addicted. Okay, it's called Love is Blind. And it's so wild. Okay, so here's what happened. Jessica Simpson released her new memoir book or whatever it's called, just a book about herself or something and her life, whatever. And I kept getting these things on my news feed like Jessica Simpson, then Nick Lachey, and then next thing I know it's like Nick Lachey and Vanessa Lachey, and I'm like, what the real heck is going on? Then they were promoting their new show on Netflix called Love is Blind, and I was like, ugh, I had nothing to watch, and I started watching it. I started binge watching it. Hopefully you guys will, I'll get this edited up for you guys for Wednesday. So another show is coming on Love is Blind on Thursday, and I have been obsessed on this show. It is like, you guys know I like 90 Day Fiance. I just enjoy the whole train wreck reality show type of doohickey. Like, I love to watch that stuff. And you guys, the whole premises behind this TV show is to see if Love is actually blind. So these people don't get to meet each other in person right away. They have to like talk through this wall, so they never get to see each other at all, like ever. Well, I mean, eventually. But they fall in love through talking, getting to know each other, you know, personality, all of that stuff. Then eventually they like propose to each other. Then once they propose to each other, they go on a trip together. And once they go on that trip together, if I guess they still make it, they move in with each other. And then they live together. And they meet each other's family. And then apparently then they get married. And I'm at the last one, the very last one, where this couple is at the altar. And they left such a flipping cliffhanger that I'm like, is it Thursday yet? Like, my eye is starting to twitch because I'm so excited over the show. So let me know if you guys are watching it. Also, if you get on Twitter, it's like 90 Day Fiance. When you get on Twitter when these shows are on and just read the comments, it is hilarious. It is hilarious. So of course, now on top of watching 90 Day Fiance, I am like a flippin' crazy person watching Love is Blind. So those are my go-to shows right now, and I'm not gonna lie, like 90 Day Fiance has really bored me this past season, and I'm excited to see what this season is all about. Anyways, if you guys haven't checked out Love is Blind, you definitely should. Let me know in the comment section down below your thoughts on the Slay Glam Box. But I almost said bag, the Slay Glam Box. And like I said, it's $24. My understanding is it's free shipping within the United States. Outside of the United States, I believe it is $9. Don't quote me on that, but from watching other videos, that is what I've seen a lot of people talking about, as well as everything that you receive, or everything that I did receive for this February box will be what everybody else receives. Again, from watching other unboxing videos, it does look like across the board everybody's kind of getting the exact same thing. So anyways guys, that's going to be all for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and of course I forgot to put my phone on silent. I almost made it. Anyways guys, don't forget to follow me over on TikTok, Instagram, and Twitter. I also have a second channel, Hotmess Mama Vlogs. Over here I do upload 5 days a week, Monday through Friday at 12:15 Eastern Standard Time. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video enough to click that like button. Over here, like I said, we embrace the hot mess, guys, and I run on a lot of caffeine. A lot. Matter of fact, I'm about to go get some more. Anywho, until tomorrow, friends, as always, I hope you have a wonderful, beautiful, and blessed day. Kisses from Kentucky. Mwah! Bye!